Motwe hanene toligererie ha yanyareko bakolekana uchichinsemo chinde chense litukolia lero nigo omurai bwense Daktari William Ruto nyarako bagakora abarai bande anene kurwa ase serikali ya Kenya Kwanza ase omorobere gosomoyiga bwa masaba nyarako bagakoleta ama babwatani vejidini yanyarako bakolekana ime county ya Kakamega nonya nabonigo abarai kurwa se county eyo naboigo abarai bande bakisiasa nyarako bakomwenekeria omurai Ruto buna nigo bachikoba kubwatira na monere asekerenga yo kweneke buna bakenya banyareko bakwenyorera amagendero nonya nabonigo William Ruto boigo nyarako bagakuria eira yo gotigotarigereria ensemo ya kisiasa abarai bare kurende kwenekia buno nyareko bakubwatira na barabo elio kwenekia buna amagendero anyareko gagoikera chi county Evalino Sero amona mange igorero batyorwo
Omurai bwense nigaigerera obwagachi bw'ekinyomba kyerigorirense oyogokonya ase amang'ana anene yokoleta amagendero imeyense ya Kenya.
Former Prime Minister amesema yeye anaamini affordable housing. Sasa story si imeishi hapo. Sasa bado tunabishana nini tena? Amesema hiyo affordable housing ni kitu ya maana sana. And that is what I have been saying. Sasa hii maandamano yote ilikuwa ya nini? Kama affordable housing is a very important thing. Kwa sababu hii affordable housing nchi nyingi zimefanya hii mpango. Kwa sababu kwa affordable housing tunapata nafasi ya kupanga ajira ya vijana wetu, kupanua uchumi wa Kenya, kupunguza ardhi ambayo inatumika kiholela ili tuweze kutumia kwa kuzalisha chakula, na vile vile tuondoe watu wanaoishi katika vidongoji duni.
Niga kwanera chisemi asaine kiemerobere mekiranu noko bwaterana elio kwenekia abana bonsi baikereire chisemi.
Tumekubaliana na stakeholders wote vile masomo ya watoto wetu itasonga mbele kwa utaratibu bila matatizo, njia inayoeleweka na njia ambayo itahakikisha kwamba watoto wetu wanasoma masomo ambayo itawasaidia katika ujenzi wa taifa letu la Kenya.
Omo Prime Cabinet Secretary Musalia Mudavadi nigabaga kugikeria bale bakomochi omurai bwense nakogania enseme kwamereria serikali Azimio la Umoja One Kenya gutaswana na nobokoreri bwebigambero.
There are people who want to always criticize the president. Oh, he has commented on the judiciary, he has commented on this. Judicial Service Commission is also independent. And Judicial Service Commission has the right to recruit anybody who qualifies to be a judge of this republic. So it is wrong for the Azimio leadership to start determining who should the Judicial Service Commission recruit. You cannot tell us that a son of the soil in this area, if they are interested, kama ni Chebukati ama nani, if he puts his bid for the position of a judge, that is the responsibility of the Judicial Service Commission, not the responsibility of politicians to try and direct the Judicial Service Commission. These kind of contradictions are not acceptable.
Wilba Otichiro oyoro mugavana bwe county ya Vihiga nigaigerera chitaro chia Ruto isko ya Kenya na oteba nacho chiakonyire ase amaunchorero imeyense.
The president, due to his visit to those conferences, today Kenya is receiving a lot of money in terms of grants because of his effort. So if the president is going to sit with us here, we shall all be crying and saying, what shall we do? He must go out there and look for resources.
Ruto nigaria ira yoko bwatirana na barai bonsi eriogoskia ense ya Kenya bosio asensemo ya magendro asabagania kobekensemo chitobauti chinde chionsi erioko bwatirana ase ogoskia Kenya bosio.
Mimi nitashirikiana na viongozi wenu wote. Wale wote waliochaguliwa kutoka MCS, wabunge wenu, maseneta wenu, magavana wenu, sote tutaungana na mimi nitashirikiana na wao ili tuweze kupanga maendeleo ya taifa letu, miradi ya kubadilisha Kakamega, na vile tutahamasisha wananchi wote tuweze kupeleka nchi yetu ya Kenya mbele.
The government, from the national to the local, let us forget our differences and focus on what God has called us to build.
Ngoripoteri ya Ndizi TV, Eriatariane Evelyn Osero.